Welcome to Integrated Electronics.
So here we are demonstrating our AcceleRate series product. So you have your cable where you are sending a data rate of around 54 Gbps PAM4 through all the cable from the connector into the cable and getting it back to the board for the BER. The data rate you are seeing here is PAM4 54 Gbps, and you can see the eye diagram. So out of 4 channels, we are demonstrating for one particular channel over there, and we are also running a FireFly cable, which is the replacement for your QSFP. So your QSFPs are pretty big, and they are bulky, and they have a lot of heat dissipation and all. So for that, we have the replacement for QSFP as this particular connector. So whatever we are showing here is an interactive game where you can see the cable is being into different turns and twists, and also we are showing the same BAR for the cable that is being turned, and also the data rate that is flowing into the cable. Okay, so if you just start the game, and you can see this is the data rate, this is the BAR that you are seeing for the 54 Gbps, and it's just an interactive game where you can play, and then at the same time you can also learn about the technology of how around your the data rate is coming. Yes.
Is this a demonstration of how reliable the communication is?